My name's John Howcroft. I currently have a CMFS certification through STLE. I'd like to start out with, acknowledging that when I got my certification, it was a great stepping stone as far as allowing me to show myself that what I had been learning in the field and what I had been doing for the first several years of my career were appropriate and allowing me to gain confidence within my field. Once I got that certification, it really did boost my confidence as far as going out further to handle problems, technical questions. The CMFS certification covers so many areas that a lot of times we don't realize that we touch within our field, from wastewater to chemicals on site to hazardous materials, things of that nature. So it's been great to know that I continue to expand on my knowledge base, but that this examination and having these credentials covers all of those areas. When I run into colleagues that also have the certification, it's a great bond to know that, we both have been through a lot of the same teachings, tackle a lot of the same problems. Being part of the committee has been fantastic because while we all work for different companies, we all have one goal, and that's to make sure that we're getting the information out into the public where they'll be able to also test their knowledge base and ensure that they're learning the right things. I absolutely think that having a certification has helped me in my career. I have it on my resume as a bullet point in bold because there's not that many ultimately that have the certification. A lot of the young guys and girls coming into the field would have a huge benefit by getting the certification. They shouldn't go in day one, but I think when you get a couple years in and you are given some of the materials to know what you need to learn, it's great, because then once you take the exam, you're really going to see all the areas that our field touches. If you get that certification, it's a big deal, and especially as the certification process grows and companies that are familiar with our industry and other colleagues that we work with, the more we have that certification, I think the industry itself will benefit greatly.